We have power washed this patio paver, killed the algae and mildew. We compacted once with our roller compactor, not a plate compactor, and as you can see, it's not quite even. So what we'll do is we'll sweep in the sand and then compact it in the opposite direction. So after our second compaction, we are brooming it again. But as you can see, we've filled up those voids now. So we're sweeping off the excess, and then we'll sweep it one more time before we blow it to the proper level. So now after we've compacted the pavers twice, broom them off 2 to 3 times, then we go and blow off the excess. And then we will come back in and sweep in the joints just to make sure everything is level, and then water it a few times. So our tech is blowing off the sand to the proper level, but as you can see, with using a blower, you can't exactly get it perfect. So that's where we come in and we will broom off the joint, so that way it'll be a more level appearance into the proper height. So another area that we like to make sure that we detail, as you can see here, that height on the border is a little high, so we come in with a broom and try and get it down a little bit farther. We'll work on these a little bit more as well. But as you can see, there's not as much sand in here as there is in here. So now that we've leveled the sand to the proper height, we will go ahead and water that in. Try to get you a better angle here. We'll go ahead and water this in approximately 2 to 3 times. We are in Powell, Ohio, just south of Delaware, Ohio, and we have repaired, deep cleaned, power washed, killed the algae, the mildew, the moss, and we have compacted in sand, and we just got done watering it in. So this is where we had all the moss before. So that's all good and tight now with the sand to the proper level. It's not too high, not too low. And next year, I think they may be putting in a matte sealer. So a previous video would show the difference on this patio paver, matte versus a enhanced. But basically, where you can see there where it's lighter, that would be more of the matte finish. The darker on the wall would be more of the enhanced. So hopefully you enjoyed watching our process on this patio paver. If you need patio paver restoration, we hope you'll consider Clear Water Prowash out of Columbus, Ohio. 614-425-9395. clearwaterprowash.com.